Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL 403, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To improve battery life on your TCL 403, first thing to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time, disable one of them. Disable Bluetooth if you do not need it right now. Disable flashlight. Disable location services. And of course, disable newbie share. Cool. Then you can open the settings and scroll down and find your battery and enable battery saver mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.